Now my absolute favorite part of this pole is the fact that you're able to easily swap out brushes, add different segments to the gooseneck, use brushes with the fan spray or the pin jets, depending on if you have hydrophobic windows or not. And everything that you want to do with this pole is just really easy to adjust and to change out. Now the main hose that goes in holds nice and firm, but if you push the sleeve in, you've got to remove that quickly. And then to pull the gooseneck off in the head, just a couple of twists, and then you're good to go. Now, one problem you always run into with water-fed poles, or quite frequently I should say, is you find windows that are recessed deep into the house with a large ledge sticking out, and you can't quite get in there. And that's why I like to use the 6-inch adjustable gooseneck that you can also buy at J.Racenstein's. So you run the hose through there, a couple of twists to lock it in, and there you've just added 6 more inches to your gooseneck. Now, once again, you know, I've mentioned they have several different brushes you could use. Here's a more plush one when you got windows that haven't been touched in a long time, that are really dirty and need some extra scrubbing. And here's just the standard brush. Adapt this on here. Okay. Alright. Now, my favorite thing right here is with the extra gooseneck, not only can you get deeper into recesses in buildings, but you can also adjust your brush so it goes downward. And I'll show you what this is good for. Now here we're going to do the top of a greenhouse window. Now without the adjustable goosenecks, you find yourself taking the pole and trying to scrub the top of it with the very edges of the bristles, which is very ineffective, and the water jets spray further than you want and you have no control over the rinse. But with 2 goosenecks on here, you're able to extend this like so. As you know, the tops of these greenhouse windows get really dirty because they're horizontal instead of vertical. Now we've got the brush right the way we want it. Get all the scrubbing power you need using the full surface of the brush instead of trying to fight with an edge. And there I'm able to get the water jets right where I want them to get a proper rinse. And then once again, we'll let that drain a while. And after at least the top half of it's drained, go ahead and rinse it again, and then we're good to go.